federal judge just dismissed the Trump administration's lawsuit against the Maryland-based judges over how they handled immigration cases. Now, I came across this story on Ground News, and what's powerful about it is how you can see exactly how different media outlets frame this same event. We hear a lot about agendas, propaganda, and even fake news. And as an independent journalist, it can be difficult to see what's what. Ground News is the fastest, most easy way for me to check a news story and not just see one article, but sometimes dozens and even hundreds of articles that Ground News pulls and then tells me what's factual and the bias from left, right, and center. And you can get the full picture instead of just one side. Now, Judge Thomas Cullen, he ruled against the administration, saying the lawsuit would, quote, run counter to overwhelming precedent and offend the rule of law. Now, on this case, left-leaning outlets described the dismissal as a decisive rebuke of a politically aggressive and unwarranted lawsuit. Now, right-leaning outlets, on the other hand, focus on what they call unlawful injunctions blocking deportations, framing the dismissal as a setback against overreaching courts. Meanwhile, centrist outlets use a more neutral tone, calling it an extraordinary escalation between the administration and the judiciary. This is not about information overload. It's about knowing why some news outlets use some terms while others leave it out. And if you want to understand how bias shapes coverage and get the whole story like I do, go to groundnews.com/check for 40% off unlimited access. That's just $5 a month for the same plan I use. Again, it's groundnews.com/check. Support Ground News, not just because it's a fantastic tool, but also they support everything we do, and that is a win-win.